Silver is sitting near $90, and right now millions of people are asking the same quiet question in their head. Is this the moment to sell? Or is selling now the mistake everyone will regret later? If you're watching this video, chances are you're holding silver, thinking about buying, or trying to make sense of the noise. Stay with me till the end, because the answer isn't as simple as sell or hold, and by the time we're done, you'll have clarity instead of confusion. Before we go any further, let me ask you something important. When you see silver near $90, what do you feel first? Excitement? Fear? Relief? Or pressure to act fast? Go ahead and comment that feeling below. There's no right or wrong answer, but understanding your reaction is the first step to making a smart decision instead of an emotional one. Silver near $90 is not just a price level. It's a psychological moment. Numbers like this carry weight. They trigger headlines, social media posts, and strong opinions from people who may or may not understand the full picture. That's exactly why so many investors make their biggest mistakes at moments like this. They react instead of think. So let's slow this down together. No hype, no panic, just logic, context, and strategy. If this kind of calm, real-world investing conversation is valuable to you, take a second to like the video. It helps this reach people who are tired of extreme opinions and just want clear thinking. And if you want more breakdowns like this, follow the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about why silver is near $90 in the first place. Prices don't move in isolation. Silver didn't wake up one day and decide to rally. This moment is the result of pressures that have been building for a long time. Inflation concerns never fully went away. Trust in paper currencies has been tested repeatedly. Industrial demand for silver continues to grow, especially in technology and energy. On top of that, investors keep turning to hard assets when uncertainty rises. When all of these forces come together, silver doesn't move slowly, it moves decisively. And when it does, people suddenly pay attention. Here's where many investors get stuck. They see the price and ask, is this the top? That question alone can be dangerous. It assumes markets move in straight lines and that tops are obvious in real time. They're not. Tops only look obvious in hindsight. Instead of asking whether silver is at the top, a better question is this: has something fundamentally changed since you decided to own silver? Think about that for a moment. While you're thinking, remember this question forms the foundation of every smart decision that follows. If you bought silver as a hedge against inflation, has inflation magically disappeared? If you bought silver because you were worried about currency stability, has that concern vanished? If you bought silver for long-term protection, does one price level cancel that reason? For most people, the honest answer is no. That doesn't mean you should never sell. It means selling should be intentional, not reactive. Let me ask you another question. If silver dropped from 90 to 70 next month, would you regret not selling now? Or would you see it as a normal pullback in a larger trend? Your answer tells you whether your position matches your risk tolerance, and that's something many people don't think about until it's too late. Would a pullback shake you, or would you stay calm? Comment below and let me know. Now let's talk about the biggest mistake investors make when prices get this high. They think in extremes. Either they sell everything out of fear, or they hold everything out of greed. Both approaches ignore balance, and balance is where smart money lives. One strategy that often gets overlooked is partial profit-taking. You don't have to choose between all or nothing. Selling a portion allows you to lock in gains while staying exposed if prices continue higher. It reduces emotional pressure. It gives you flexibility. And most importantly, it helps you sleep at night. Coming up, we'll talk about how different types of silver holders should think about this moment differently, because a long-term holder and a short-term trader should not be making the same decision. But before that, let's address something else: noise. When silver prices rise, everyone suddenly becomes an expert. Social media fills with bold predictions. Some say silver is going to the moon. Others say a crash is imminent. The truth usually lives somewhere in between. And if you let loud opinions replace your own plan, you hand control of your money to strangers. If this video is helping cut through that noise, share it with someone who's also holding silver right now. A calm perspective can be more valuable than the loudest prediction. Now let's talk about timing versus purpose. If you're a long-term silver holder, your goal usually isn't to sell at the exact top. Your goal is preservation, protection, and purchasing power over time. For you, the key question isn't, is $90 the peak? It's, does silver still serve the role I bought it for? If you're a short-term trader, though, the rules change. You need clear entry and exit points. You need discipline. And you need to accept that you'll never sell the exact high. That's not failure. That's reality. Profitable trading is about consistency, not perfection. Stay with me, because we're about to talk about what history teaches us about moments like this, and why ignoring it can be costly. In past silver rallies, many investors made the same mistake. They believed the price would keep rising without interruption. They ignored warning signs. They dismissed pullbacks as impossible. And when the market corrected, they froze. Some held through massive gains and watched them disappear. Not because silver was a bad investment, but because they didn't manage their position. The lesson here isn't fear, it's preparation. Another factor many people overlook is taxes. Depending on your situation, selling silver can trigger capital gains taxes. That doesn't mean you shouldn't sell. It means you should know what your real profit is after taxes, not just what the chart shows. A smart move on paper should still be smart in your pocket. At what price would you feel comfortable taking some profit? Not all, just some. Drop that number in the comments. Seeing how others think can help you refine your own strategy. As silver hovers near $90, volatility is normal. Big moves attract big reactions. But remember this, volatility is not your enemy if you're prepared. It only hurts those who didn't think ahead. If you're getting value from this, hit the like button and follow the channel. We focus on long-term thinking, not short-term panic. Now imagine two scenarios. In the first, silver continues higher. If you sold a portion, you still benefit from the upside. In the second, silver pulls back. If you locked in some profit, you reduce regret and pressure. This is why flexibility beats certainty. You don't need to predict the future to manage risk. Markets don't reward being right once. They reward being disciplined over time. Silver near $90 is not a command to act. It's information. What matters is how you respond to it. If silver stayed around these levels for the next year, would you feel comfortable with your position? Or would you feel stressed? Investing should add confidence, not constant anxiety. If this conversation helped you think more clearly, share it with someone who's also watching silver right now. And comment below whether you're leaning towards selling, holding, or adjusting your position. The biggest investing mistakes don't come from being wrong about price direction. They come from acting without a plan. Decide what silver means to you before the market forces a decision on you. Silver near $90 is a moment, not a verdict. Whatever you choose to do, make sure it's a decision you understand, not one driven by fear or hype. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.